I know when it comes to securing funding through grant, there's a lot of common challenges that organizations and individuals have to overcome. And it's not that easy. It really isn't. So it deters a lot of people from applying for grants. How does Tribe Digital's AI service assist organizations or individuals with overcoming those common obstacles?
Yeah, I think we have to speak about some of the challenges that organizations face when applying for grants. Number one, they don't have a system. So they just hear about a grant and, it's money that can do a lot for an organization. So they fill out an application as best they can and go for it. For us, this is not the best approach because, without a strategy, you don't create sustainability. And without sustainability, you can't create scalability. And so creating sustainability by terms of having a service like ours, which makes you aware of grants that are tailored towards your organization, that will really work for you, that are in line with your mission, vision, and mandate. That's number one. I think the second challenge is time. People don't have the time. Organizations, not-for-profits, you're running around, you're doing programming, you're meeting and engaging the community. You don't have time to be spending hours writing grants and calling funders and waiting to hear back, etc. What we do is we create the most efficient process that is currently possible with technology. So you can spend your time doing what you're supposed to be doing as an organization instead of wasting time sitting down writing grant applications. I think number three, it deals with the competitive landscape of the funding environment. There is a growing number of grant applicants and a shrinking pool of grant resources, of funding and money available. And so funders are now looking for the best application, right? It's the best applications that receive funding. And so a simple error can knock you out of the running. A misinterpretation of a question can knock you out of the running. Our technology ensures that your grant application meets all qualifiers, meets every guideline. Every question that is in that application is answered virtually perfectly. And that is something that an individual grant writer just cannot provide. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur, and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants and let's see what we can do for you.